Good day everyone. I am Justin Q. Tabor, second year college BS Criminology student. And this is my discussion about the parts and function of SLR camera. Before I will discuss the parts and function of SL camera, let's define first what is a SLR camera is. A single lens reflex camera is a camera that typically uses a mirror and prism system that permits the photographer to view through the lens and see exactly what will be captured. So there are the parts of a function of SLR camera. Number 1. Shutter speed button. Shutter speed is also used to control the amount of motion in a photograph. A slow shutter speed is often selected to the capture movement in an image because a slow shutter speed, a moving object will produce some blur in your image. Number 2. Film advance lever. Film advance lever used to rotate the film inside the camera in order to take a new picture. Number 3. Frame counter. It is used in a camera which provides a user with information as to the number of remaining exposures within a film cassette positioned there. Number 4. Shutter speed dial. It is the length of time the camera shutter is open, exposing light onto the camera sensor. Number 4. Film speed dial. It is a measure of a photographic film sensitivity to light, determined sensitively and measured on the various numerical scales. The most recent being the IOS Shutter Speed Index. It provides the selection of shutter speeds and indicates the timing of the shutter open and closes. Number 7. Accessory shoe. An accessory shoe is the small metal bracket or mount on the top of a camera used to attach a speed light flash and other accessories such as microphones. Number 8. Lens mounting lens. A lens mount is a standard or proprietary interface used by camera and lens manufacturers to ensure a secure and accurate means for attaching a lens to a camera body. Number 9. Film rewind crank. It allows the photographer to reel film back into its container once all exposure have been shot so that the film can be developed. Number 10. Film rewind knob. Mechanism used to rewind the film back into the canister. Number 11. Hand grip. It is a protrusion on the right and hand side of a camera that is ergonomically shaped to be comfortable with when held in the hand. Number 12. Lens release button. Unlocks the lens mount and allows you to detach the lens. Number 13. Self-timer switch. It's an automatic shooting mode that counts down and then take a photo. It is used for a self-timer is when you are trying to achieve critical sharpness and your image when using a tripod. Number 14. Aperture ring. It allows the photographer to control the aperture within the lens so it can adjust the aperture by rotating the lens, aperture ring, exposure modes A and M. Number 15. Focusing ring. It adjusts the distance between the lenses within the camera to fine-tune where the image forms. 16. Aperture distance ring. Aperture controls the brightness of the image that passes through the lens and falls on the image sensor.